So for our morning adventure, we're going paragliding. We're right outside of Medellin. We're on a big mountain overlooking the city, and we're about to go running off a hill. Bye! Did not realize hang gliding involved climbing to the top of the mountain first. The van drove us most of the way, but now we're climbing to the very, very top to run off a cliff. Should be fun, but this is one hell of a warm-up. I'm so out of breath. We made it to the top. We did it! And the view is beautiful. Getting ready. Got Amberly going behind me. Someone taking off too, cool. I am protected. What do you mean? I didn't need it, you need it. Well, I guess I'm in. We're all kind of shaky and walking down this like muddy steps back to the car is kind of hard when your legs are wobbly after just being 2,500 meters in the air. So our car cannot make it up this hill. We're getting out to push. No.
Yes.
We're ready. We're ready.
Oh.
Good job, guys. Yeah! We made it! Oh God, there's a massive truck. We gotta get back in the car. The truck is like, get the fuck out of the way. Team effort, that was good.